But yeah, we're talking storms now. It was a really nice day today, but now we have a weather impact alert in effect for tomorrow. Now, the good news is that it does look like it's going to be staying up north, but today was just such a gloomy day. It was chilly. We got a little bit of drizzle this morning if you were up early for your Sunday. And yeah, we stayed cool. So 65 degrees right now, winds from the east at 6 miles per hour. We are going to stay cloudy. We're actually going to get warmer overnight because the clouds actually kind of work like a blanket overnight. So we're actually going to be in the 70s throughout the overnight hours. But we have a weather impact alert in effect for your Monday, mostly Monday afternoon and evening. Strong thunderstorms are expected, so make sure you're staying aware, especially if you're traveling for the holidays, for Thanksgiving. If you're going to be traveling to Austin, you definitely want to stay on top of the weather app. All right, so we are looking at calm conditions now on our radar. We got to see some drizzle, but we do have a severe thunderstorm watch in effect for San Angelo out west and a flood watch for our friends in Dallas. So Dallas really is going to get most of those storms. As a matter of fact, right now on our radar, look at those storms moving through the Texas Panhandle, Oklahoma, making some snow in Denver. There's even some severe thunderstorm warnings near Lubbock and Midland. But as far as for us right now, we're staying in the clear. So when is the system going to be moving through? So on our futurecast, this is what it looks like at 6 a.m. You'll notice we kind of get the tail end of that system. We fast forward to 11 a.m. That's when it starts to move through Austin, San Antonio. And then by Monday afternoon, east of Austin, could be seeing some very large hail, so something to keep in mind. But by Monday evening, we start to clear out. So tonight, we are looking at a marginal risk in San Antonio, 2 out of 5 risk in San Angelo, and then the risk shifts east for your Monday. So east of Austin, east of Dallas, really going to get the most of those storms. But again, if you're traveling for the holidays, Austin, Dallas, Houston, you want to stay on top of the weather. But we are going to be seeing some storms on Monday. Tuesday, things start to clear out, and then Wednesday, we start to get the cold front move through. So we're going to be looking at much cooler temperatures for your Thanksgiving. We're going to go from 80s Monday, Tuesday to 60s on Wednesday. So what are we expecting for your Thanksgiving Thursday? It's actually going to be perfect weather, high of 66 degrees with a morning low of 45. It's going to be a chilly morning, mostly sunny skies. We couldn't have asked for better Thanksgiving weather. All right, Black Friday is also going to be nice. It is going to be chilly though, so you definitely want to make sure you're bundling up if you're going to be shopping on Black Friday. All right, here's a look at your 14-day forecast. So 80s for today. For tomorrow, expect some foggy conditions tomorrow morning as well. Windy conditions for your Wednesday before cooler temperatures on Thursday. We'll keep the 60s and 70s and possibly starting 50s by the beginning of December. Vinny?